This cooperative is found in Mbuye village, Mbuye parish, Bushuru sub-county, Sembabule district. Before we get this machine or maize milling machine, we are just saving and lending money as VSLA. Later, we got sensitization from Dr. Kawoya from Sembabule to connect us to NADS. We've benefited in the way that we use it to walk a long distance, taking our maize to Sembabule for milling. After reaching there, we would find when the power is off, so we would come back without maize flour, which would cost us with much transport. But when we receive this machine, people are just processing their maize very near to them. We are employing the machine operators, the guards, the manager, and others.